Hey y'all, my name is Zach Hurst, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your Silhouette Cameo to make a holiday pop-up card. So the first thing you're going to want to do is gather all your supplies, of course. You'll want a stack of paper, colored paper, you'll want some rubber cement, you'll need a Silhouette cutting mat, and then of course you will need your Silhouette Cameo. So, we've opened the template in Silhouette Studio. You're going to look for the picture window part of it. It's this big rectangle in the middle. Think about it as if you're looking at this. So here you have negative space. This is just all getting cut out. So you have to make sure that everything somehow is touching the edge of this rectangle so that whenever it cuts out, it'll cut out this line and then it'll cut around this and then it'll cut here. If you select both and then you go to Object, Modify, and then hit Subtract, now this is fully connected to the outer edge. So here's what I've got worked up. Here's my original picture window, these edges right here. And I drew a Christmas tree in the middle. And then I've also given it some frames, which are totally extra, and it's ready to cut. So I've got my cutting mat ready. Gonna peel the backing off. So I've got it stuck down to my mat, loaded in the top left corner. And I'm gonna load it in the Silhouette and go. Now it's time to peel it all off. For this, I like to peel off the pieces that I can get myself first, just so I don't have to worry about them messing anything up when I'm peeling the whole piece off. Sometimes I found that it works better if you turn it upside down and peel the mat off from the paper, because then the paper isn't as bent and the mat just keeps its shape no matter what. And there we have it. Now it's time to fold. These are the main folds that fold it completely in half. And then this folds forward. And then the top of it folds back. And then you're gonna fold these. There's your base. Now we're gonna glue it to the back. For our last step, we are going to put the backing onto it. I always start by folding this backing piece in half just so I know where to line up my main folds. You're gonna put your rubber cement lightly across the whole bottom part and then line it up. Be careful not to get any of it in the holes. You wanna do it pretty quickly since this stuff dries really fast. Line those folds up, make sure it's centered, flatten it out a little bit, swipe on. And on this side you can just fold it itself. Now, grab my cutting mat so I can cut the edges off. It's nice because you basically already have a straight edge built in. And voila. This is a holiday picture window pop-up card made by Zach.